what you've done for me, how you broke my chains and set me free. I'll keep on singing till my